Welcome everyone. So yes students, out of all the puzzles which I have done in my actual classes and in my life also, this one took the cake. Trust me, this came out to be a little bit tricky. Okay, literally only I could say, like, literally out of a batch of like 50, hardly one could figure out what is the pattern. Okay, so pattern for this particular series, see, we have 1, then we have 11, so we think that this is an addition of 10, then we have again 21, so addition of 10, but this is not making any sense. Then we have 1 2 1 1, so this is not making sense. Okay, so in this case, what is it then? There has to be absolutely some other logic. So just hear me out very carefully, and if you don't understand, pause the video and go back and see what the actual logic is. See, this we have 1. Okay, at this point, next step, if you see what we have, can I say it's just reference to the previous one, and here we are saying the previous step had 1 1, and in over here I can say the now in the next step, if you see, it's referring to the previous step, which is saying that the previous step had 2 1s. So, and here in this one, it is referring to the previous step, which is saying that the previous step had 1 2, and then it was having 2 1s. Okay, similarly over the next step, we will say it had 1 1, then 1 2, and then 2 1s. Okay, so the next step will have what? 3 1s, 2 2s, and 1 1. So what should be the next step? The next step is basically 1 3, okay, 1 1, 2 2s, and 2 1s. Okay, so this is the next step. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.